Hello and welcome to the MyRec training video. There are three different ways to create an account. One would be New Account, under Account Create Account, and Let Us Serve You Better. To create an account, you must fill out the following information and then hit Submit. If you already have done so, click Login. Once you log in, it will bring you to this page. To register for a membership, you will click on the register icon. It will then show you the different membership options. For this training video, we will use WillyWare. You will then want to click on Register, followed by Add to Cart. You must then read carefully the disclaimer, and then click I have read and agreed to the disclaimer statement. You would then click Checkout. Checkout online. You will notice that your invoice total is $0. You will then hit Process, and now you have registered for a membership. You can then view or print your receipt. If not, go ahead and go to our recreation centers. You are now a member. Thank you very much for viewing this video and have a great day.